In today's video, we're showcasing the best leaf vacuums on the market. Whether you're dealing with a small yard or a large property, we've got the top options to make yard cleanup a breeze. Let's dive in and find the perfect leaf vacuum for your needs. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile yard tool, the STIHL SH86CE gas-powered shredder vacuum blower is the one to check out. This unit combines a high-performance shredder vac with the convenience of a handheld blower. It features STIHL's Easy 2 start system, so you can get to work quickly without hassle. The SH86CE delivers impressive air volume and velocity, making it ideal for tough yard debris. Thanks to its anti-vibration technology and soft grip handles, you'll stay comfortable during long sessions. The washable HD2 air filter also helps reduce maintenance costs, ensuring this tool lasts longer. Plus, it comes with a zippered collection bag for easy disposal. Whether you're shredding leaves or blowing debris, this tool offers efficiency and ease, making it a great investment for both homeowners and professionals. Moving into the 12-amp range, the BLACK+DECKER BLACK 7000 leaf blower 99 vacuum packs a punch with its 250 miles per hour airspeed and 400 cubic feet per minute airflow. This tool makes quick work of yard cleanup. Whether it's clearing leaves or debris from hard surfaces or vacuuming and mulching them into manageable piles. Starting up is a breeze, and with its corded electric design, you get unlimited runtime for those larger jobs without worrying about battery life. The BLACK 7000 also features a convenient backpack design, offering extra bag capacity for hands-free operation, which means fewer trips to the trash can. Plus, the FlexiTube makes vacuuming in tight spaces a lot easier. At just around $90, this 3-in-1 tool delivers excellent power and versatility without breaking the bank, making it a great choice for homeowners looking to tackle their yard work quickly and efficiently. The STIHL SH56CE gas handheld vac is a top-tier option for homeowners and landscapers alike. Powered by a 27.2 cubic centimeter engine, it delivers a robust 159 miles per hour airspeed and 412 cubic feet per minute airflow. The SH56CE is a multifunctional tool, seamlessly converting from a shredder vac to a blower, providing the versatility needed for a variety of yard tasks. Its fan wheel features a specially designed blade that effectively mulches debris, while the easy-access zippered bag ensures quick and simple disposal. The blower is equipped with STIHL's Easy 2 start system for effortless starts every time. At only 12 pounds, it's lightweight and features a comfortable shoulder strap to minimize fatigue during extended use. With a noise rating of 70 decibels, it operates relatively quietly for a gas-powered tool. Available for around $269.99, this blower mulcher.vac offers solid performance and convenience for all your yard cleanup needs. The GREENWORKS 40-volt cordless brushless leaf blower vacuum is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a powerful yet lightweight yard cleanup tool. This 230 mile/hour blower delivers strong performance thanks to its brushless motor technology that provides 2x the torque and up to 30% longer runtime compared to traditional models. The 505 CFM airflow ensures you can tackle even the toughest debris like wet leaves and mud splatter with ease. We love how the blower transforms into a vacuum for added versatility, and the turbo boost button offers an extra surge of power when needed. At just 11.1 pounds, it's easy on the arms, and the ergonomic design keeps hand fatigue at bay. With a 3-year warranty and compatibility with over 75 GREENWORKS tools, this unit is an all-around excellent investment for efficient and convenient yard work, priced at $249.99. The DR Power Equipment Pilot XT is a powerful and efficient leaf vacuum that tackles yard debris like a pro. With its 173 cubic centimeters, 4.3 horsepower engine, this machine delivers exceptional suction power, making it perfect for collecting leaves, grass, and other yard waste. The standout feature is the EZ Bagger system, which allows you to quickly and easily fill disposable leaf bags for curbside pickup or composting. It even includes a bag caddy capable of carrying up to 10 bags at once for uninterrupted work. We also love the adjustable intake, which gives you control over the depth of suction from 1 inch to 4 inches. The all-steel impeller ensures long-lasting performance. At $999, the Pilot XT is a bit of an investment, but for homeowners looking for an efficient, hassle-free leaf collection solution, this vacuum is worth every penny. Grab it and say goodbye to hours of raking.